How to stop Mac from sleeping. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to stop your Mac from sleeping. So basically you want to increase the screen time of the Mac so that you can use it even after you have stopped scrolling or using the Mac for a longer period of time. So for that, all you have to do is just simply click on the Apple icon at the left hand side of the screen at the top, and from there just simply go to the system settings option, tap on it, and over here you will be able to see the option called screen time. Just simply tap on it again, and over here you will be able to see the option called screen saver. Just simply tap on it right below the wallpaper option, and from there just simply click on lock screen settings and it will open up the advanced settings for you. And from here you can select the time of the screen you want it to be open, even if you are not using it for some time. So as you can see that my display time has been set up as by default, but for example you want to change it, so you can click on the settings icon from there, and now you can select the time for as long as you want your screen to be not sleeping. So if you select never, so your screen will never sleep or it will get darker even if you are not using your MacBook for 2-3 days. Yeah, and if you want it to be make it little lesser, so you can select the time accordingly, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes or else. So you can select it. I'm keeping it on 2 minutes because I like it that way. And after that you can also change the setting up details of your turn display off on power adapter when inactive, so you can change that as well. And you can also use the require password after screensaver begins on display on turn or not. So if your screen is turned off even after 4-5 minutes, it will ask you to unlock it with your password, so you can select that as well. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to stop your Mac from sleeping. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.